going to do a quick video and show you how to install Uptice's side pole mounts. This is a 2010 Malibu VLX with the original G3 tower. For later versions, you'll need to install them in a different spot, but today we're just going to install them right here. It's going to be a quick install. The awesome thing about Uptice's products is they come with an Allen wrench, so this will make it a breeze. You don't need to get any extra tools out. It all comes in this nice package. Start by doing is cutting open the package. Got two of the billet aluminum side pole mounts. Two bolts. And then the Allen. We're going to start off by removing the bolt that's already in the tower. Perfect. Take one mount, one bolt, put it back in there. You could put Loctite on it. Now that these are installed, they're going to be perfect for beginners or anyone that just doesn't want a rope hanging off the back of the boat. One thing I do want to recommend though is make sure the hole lines up with the bolt, because sometimes the tower does shift a little bit, so let's make sure that that's lined up. If not, if it does shift, you can either elongate the steel piece right here or get a clamp, put it on this side and this side, and pull it back together to make sure your bolt goes in perfect. To show you guys how these side pull points work. We don't have anyone that wants to surf today, but we'll have one rope from the top mount, and then we'll have one from the port side mount. So what we'll do is you'll be able to see the center one will stay in the center of the wake, and the port side one will stay on the port side of the wake. The great thing about that is when you have someone beginning to surf, they will stay on that side. It won't pull them all the way into the middle, and then they'll have a hard time getting over the wake. So here we go, let's show you guys how it works.